Hi, this is Broadcast Sunny, and this is about cutting a piece of fabric that you need for a project. I am doing coasters. You can look at my project. I'll put it in the cards or in the description of this YouTube page that this video is housed on. This is a piece of scrap fabric, and I did cut out a piece with this bird on it. As you can see, it's a 4.5 by 4.5, just to give you an idea. And I use this type of ruler because you can see through it and you can frame it more easily. Now keep in mind that this is a 4.5 by 4.5 because a 1/2 inch will be used for sewing the hem. So around this is about a 1/4 inch of will not be used, or you will not see. So you go into about a 1/4 inch here. So the tail will be cut off here, and unfortunately the flower is going to be cut off a bit too. But I really wanted the bird in. So in this one, I really want to get the hummingbird, which is very difficult because this is a scrap piece and not much is where I can cut that hummingbird out. The hummingbird doesn't appear in this print as much. So I'm just going to show you how I did it and give you an idea of how you can do it. So 4.5 by 4.5 for a 4-inch square. And I'm picking this corner. So a 1/4 inch comes to about here. It will chop off the wings, the tail and the wings, which I'm not crazy about, whereas it won't cut off down here. So let's do 4-inch by 4-inch. I'll go back a 1/4. I really like that it's showing it with the bird. Unfortunately, it's cut right here, so there's not much I can do about it. But get as close as possible. 4.5 inches up to here. A 1/4 inch would cut it there. That's not too shabby. You should see the very tips. And you know what? This part will be the corner of my square, and if it's cut off a little bit, it's okay because it's a corner, and usually, you know, you cut off the edges so it will be more pointy when you turn it inside out. So for my project, I can cut off a little bit of here, have a little bit of fabric missing there. But I think that's about as far as I can go. So I'll mark where I am going to. This is a washable or water eraser pen. This you usually find in the quilting section of a store. One of the tips in cutting the fabric, go with the grain. The lines should go with the grain. If you go against the grain and make a more diagonal like this, then you're going to have more fraying and have more issues. There's a part of me that thinks, I can't believe I know that. But on the other hand, I've been doing this for years. Why wouldn't I know that? All right, so this is a circular blade or a rotary blade cutter on a cutting mat. It's called a rotary cutting mat, but this is supposed to be self-healing. I love these because it cuts very easily, as you'll see in a moment, but the blade dulls very quickly, which makes it expensive. If you are using scissors, you can use this marker or one of those dress pencils and draw a line down here and just cut where you need to. But I am going to use this because, like I said, it is easier. Pull it away. The key to using this too is to make sure you press up against the edge of the ruler as you go across, because if you see, the first time I went, I came out. All right. And now I want to do 4.5 and 4.5 this way. Is that right? Yep. It doesn't look right. Oh, I got it at 3.5. Oh, I'm so glad I double checked. Measure twice. Cut once. So 4.5, 4.5. And it looks like a square. I'm going for the square. Okay. I don't know if, yeah, this edge didn't cut all the way through at the top there. Gently pull, or you can use scissors, which I have upstairs. I don't feel like getting. My camera is down here. Okay, so that's going to be my square. I will use it and then show it to you what the finished product is so you can see what was cut off and what wasn't. Here we have the complete project. As you can see, I just missed the tip of the wing, but unless you're really looking for it, it looks great to me. I was also able to keep the entire tail. I love how it goes into the corner there. Overall, I really like the image. I like the flower. It came out well for this project. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. By sharing and subscribing, you're helping to support this channel. Thanks.